Now see the next transaction, see the next question related to the integrated GST and state GST and central GST. It's a combination of the interstate and intrastate. Past journal entries in the books of Krishna of Bangalore, Karnataka. Journal entry in the books of Krishnan. Journal entry in the books of Krishnan. He's from the Bangalore, Karnataka. First entry is, here the date is not given, his number 1, number 2, number 3 is given, so you write it number 1. Purchase goods from Karunakaran of Chennai. Purchase goods from Karunakaran of Chennai. Purchase goods from Karunakaran of Chennai. It's a interstate. Bangalore is in Karnataka and Chennai is another state. So, an IGST is at the rate of IGST is 18%, and if it is a intra-state, then CGST 6%. It vary from one question to another question. Okay. It's the rate vary from one to another question. So first transaction is purchase goods. So purchase account debit, purchase will be debited, purchase account debit. Okay. Debit with rupees 1 lakh. As it is a interstate, one state to another state, Karnataka to Chennai. So, integrated GST will apply over here. Integrated GST account debit to Karunakaran account. Okay, to Karunakaran account. Being goods purchased on credit at 18% IGST. 18% IGST. This IGST is, input IGST. You write it input IGST. Input IGST. At the time of purchase, it is called input IGST. Rate of 18%, so it is 18,000. So 1 lakh 18,000. 1 lakh 18,000. Being goods purchased on credit at 18% IGST. Now come to the second transaction. Sold goods to Ganeshan of Bangalore, the same state. Party Krishnan is of Bangalore, and the person to whom you are selling the goods, Ganeshan, is also from the Bangalore, same state. So here the CGST and SGST will be calculated. So sold goods to Ganeshan, it's a credit sales. So Ganeshan account debit, to sales account, to output CGST, to output SGST account. This will be credited. Output CGST and output SGST will be credited. So Ganeshan, Bangalore 1,50,000, we have sold the goods of 1,50,000. 6% is the CGST, so we'll calculate the 6% of 1,50,000. So it is 9,000, and SGST is also 9,000. So output CGST and output SGST is 9,000. Total 000 1,68,000. 1,68,000. What we'll write in narration? Being goods sold on credit at 6% CGST and 6% SGST, at the rate of 6% CGST and at the rate of 6% SGST. The next is sold goods to Messrs. Nair. Third number, third transaction. Sold goods to S. Nair of Kerala. Is the another state. Kerala is the another state. Karnataka to Kerala. It's a interstate transaction. So IGST will be taken into account. IGST. So sold goods to Nair, S. Nair. So S. Nair account debit. Okay. To sales account to output IGST, output IGST account. So sales is 2,60,000 is the sales, 2,60,000 is the sales, 18% is the IGST, 2,16,000 into 18 upon 100. So 18% is the IGST. $46,800 is the IGST, output IGST. Okay, so total is, if I add the figure, total is 3,06,800. 3,06,800. So in narration, what you will write in narration? Being, here also being goods sold on credit at 18% IGST, at 18% IGST. Okay, I am going to record the detail of GST over here so that we can do the calculation easily at the time of payment, settlement of GST. So IGST input and output. Yes. So input IGST is 18,000 and output IGST is 46,800. 46,800. Similarly, CGST output CGST and SGST is 9,000 and 9,000 respectively. Okay, 9,000 and 9,000 respectively. Now the next transactions, we'll record the next transactions. Okay, we'll record the next transaction. So up to third we have recorded, third number we have recorded. Now the fourth number, transaction number fourth number transaction. Okay, transaction number 4. Transaction number 4, purchased machinery for rupees 80,000 from Surya Limited against check. When we do the payment by check, it means we are not going to open the account of supplier. It's a cash payment. We have done the payment. So purchased machinery. So machinery account debit. Machinery account debit. Okay. Input CGST account debit. Input SGST account debit. Okay, to bank account. Payment is done or made through bank. You write the narration over here, being machinery purchased and payment made by check, including CGST and SGST at the rate of 9%. CGST and SGST at the rate of 9%. So the payment will be, machinery is of 80,000, CGST is 9%, so 80,000 into 9 upon 100, 7,200, 7,200, and SGST is of same amount, 7,200 at the rate of 9%. So total amount given is 94,400. 94,400. Okay, this is about the input. I'm going to write it over here. Input CGST and input SGST. So CGST is 7,200 and SGST is 7,200. I have made a record of GST, integrated GST, output CGST and SGST, and input CGST and SGST. Okay. Now, next is rent paid, paid rent by check. Fifth number, transaction number 5, rent account debit. Input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit, and payment is done by check, so bank account will be credited. Being rent paid, narration, you write in the narration within the bracket here. Narration is what? It's a short description. You are narrating this transaction. So being rent paid by check, including GST at the rate of 6%, CGST and SGST at the rate of 6% each. Okay. So the rent is 30,000 is the rent. CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of 30,000, 1,800 and 1,800. So total amount paid by you is 33,600 is the total amount paid by check. So here input CGST and input SGST is 1,800 and 1,800. Okay, I have recorded it. So this one is the transaction number 5. Now see the transaction number 6, purchase goods from Ram Mohan Roy of Bangalore. So it's a intra-state, within the same state. Transaction is within the same state, Karnataka. So purchase goods from Ram Mohan, purchase account debit. So transaction will be purchase account debit. Input CGST account debit. Input SGST account debit. Okay. 2. The name of the party from where we have purchased the goods on credit, Ram Mohan Roy. Ram Mohan Roy. So purchase goods for rupees 2 lakhs. Purchase goods for rupees 2 lakhs. CGST and SGST both is at the rate of 6%. So 6% of 2 lakhs is 12,000 and 12,000. 6% of 2 lakhs. 6% of 2 lakhs. So 12,000 and 12,000. So total is 2,24,000 you have transferred to Ram Mohan Roy because it was purchased. This was purchased on credit. So what will be the narration? Being goods purchased on credit at 6% CGST and 6% SGST. Okay. So here input CGST and input SGST is 12,000 input CGST and 12,000 is the output input CGST and input SGST, both are is the 12,000. Now see the next transaction. See the next transaction. Read the question carefully. Read the transaction carefully. Do the practice as much as you can do. Next is paid insurance premium by check. Show the transaction number. It's a 7th number transaction. Insurance premium account debit. Insurance premium account debit. Input CGST account debit. Input SGST account debit to bank account. You have paid the insurance premium by check. Being insurance premium paid by check, you write the in narration, being insurance premium paid by check including CGST and SGST at the rate of 9% each. So insurance premium is 10,000, 9% CGST, so 9% of 10,000 is 900, so it is 11,800. 11,800 we have to do the payment. 9% of 10,000, 900 and total payment will be 11,800. So input CGST is 900 here and 900 here. Next is received transaction number 8. Received commission rupees 20,000 by check which is deposited into bank. So bank account debit. To commission account, commission received account, to output CGST account to output SGST account. Output. So commission received is 20,000. CGST is at the rate of 9%, so 9% of 20,000. 9% of 20,000, it is 1,800 and 1,800 respectively. So total amount received will be 0063 to 23,600. Write it in the narration, being commission received including CGST and SGST at the rate of 9% each. Okay. So output CGST and output SGST is 1,800 and 1,800. Okay. Now see the last transactions. Thereafter we'll do the adjustment of GST. We'll do the payment of GST after adjustment, inside adjustment. Then we'll deposit to the government treasury. Then the rest amount will be deposited into government treasury. So now next is, okay, last one is related to payment made of the balance amount of GST. Payment made of the balance amount of GST. So here in this case, output IGST is more than input IGST. Okay. So first of all, output IGST will be settled. Output IGST account debit to input IGST will be settled. So this will be settled. 18,000 will be settled over here. This one, output IGST is greater, 46,800. This will be settled to input IGST. So input IGST will be settled with the output IGST 18,000. $28,800 is still in output IGST. Okay, so this one will the first settlement. This will be adjusted with this. Input IGST will settle with the output IGST. Okay, thereafter the excess amount, this excess amount will be settled later on. First of all, now you see these two. Here total output CGST is 10,800. So this total output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit. This will be settled 10,800 and 10,800 will settled with the, this will be adjusted with the input CGST and input SGST. So see the total of this input CGST total is how much? 21,900. This side also the same, 21,900. Okay, 21,900. So 10,800 and 10,800. This is settled. Still there is a balance of input CGST. There is a balance of input CGST. Okay. So this amount, there is a balance over here. There is a balance because we have settled how much? We have settled 21,900 minus 10,800. So there is a balance of 11,100. 11,100. So this amount, excess amount, will be settled first. This one. So the next entry will be output IGST. In output IGST, the balance is this one, 28,800 to input CGST, to input SGST, 11,100, 11,100. Yes. This amount is settled with this, but there is a remaining this much amount left. So this is settled. The rest amount will be paid. Rest amount will be deposited. So rest amount is 6,600 will be deposited into bank. This amount will be deposited into bank. So this 3 entry is related to the settlement of GST, integrated GST, state GST and central GST, both input and output. So this amount input is at here, the IGST, output IGST is greater than the input IGST. So this will be settled first. So output IGST account debit to input IGST this much. After deducting, you see that this much balance is left. This much balance is here. Output IGST balance is this much. This much is the output GST balance. This much. After settlement of this one. Okay. After settlement of this. Now, output CGST and SGST will be settled with this, adjusted with the input CGST and input. So, output CGST and output SGST is 10,800 and 10,800. This is adjusted with the input CGST. Input CGST and SGST is 21,900 and 21,900. But here it is only 10,000. So, up to this amount it is adjusted. Extra amount, that is the 11,100, will be adjusted with the output IGST, this much, this amount. So 11,100, 11,100, rest will be deposited into government treasury. Rest will be deposited into government treasury. So up to this transaction is completed. GST is completed today. All the transactions related to GST I have discussed. Okay. Now you do the practice from the illustrations and exercise as much as you can do. Okay. The next will be your laser.